And guess this is the B here, and I will show the result first and that you check. So it's little different, and I start from 0, right? And when I smaller than 5, right? And J in the range, I to the 1, because now I is 0. So here I is 0. So here also I control the out loop. So I here is 0. Yeah. And from 0 to 1, -1, and print J, and with the spaces, then print here. And we can see this is, no, we don't really have to print anything because this I is 0, right? From 0 to 1 is doesn't make sense. It's no range satisfy the rule. So we don't print any numbers. We directly print the stars. The first is 4 star, and then 4 star, because I plus 1. So I here is equal 1, right? So I equal 1, even in the range, you don't have to print anything, because from the range, even is the negative value, so it have to be larger. It have to be smaller, right? And I is equal to 3 in this. Sorry, I equal to 2, right? 2 from 2 to 1. So you just have to print J, because J is from 2 to 1. So here we print J. So this 2 is J. Yeah, but only J, right? But we still have the spaces. So we will have a spaces here, then with the 4 star, right? And then I equal 3. So we print from 3 to not 1 and 4 star. And then I equal 5. Sorry, I equal 4. Yeah, and we print the J, right? J from 4 to 2 and with the 4 star. And when I equal 5, it will quit the while, because I have to smaller than 5. So that's the result what we print. Okay, if we have the chance to do those kind of exercise, we do not really give the computer, because you can print it by yourself. So if we do that part, then we will first hour maybe let you can, use the paper to write something, and next hour we will do some exercise in the computer. Otherwise, we will, upside down. For example, we will print the things like this. Yeah, and ask you to think of the logic. How can we do the result just like this? And you can design the algorithm just like this. So you have to know how to find the pattern. What is the rule? What is the, repeat things, right? Yeah. So you have to find the pattern and determine what is the algorithm and the nettest loops. So the nettest loop is interesting, but it's more complicated with the compared to the single loop, because you have two different variable, and the variable will control different things, and you have to check who will control the inner loop and who will control the outer loop, right? So this is the last one. We call that D. So I is equal 1, while I smaller than 5, and the number is 1. So here is makes sense. And J in the range from 1 to I plus 1. So I here is 1, so it's 1 to 2, right? So we will print the number. Number here is 1, so we print the 1, and this is I equal. So this is I equal 1. So we can guess it's 2, 3, 4, 5, and Wi-Fi is could be appear, because the while conditions make the I have to smaller and equal to 5. So it is could be print here. And then when we print number, and we will with the end with the G here. So here we will have 1G here, and the number will plus 2. Yeah, when number plus 2, so it will quit the inner loop J here, and we print the change line. So you change line and I plus 1. So now in the second part, the out loop, the I equal to 2 and smaller than 5. So it starts from the number equal 1, and j to the 1 to the 3. So it will print 1g and 3g and quit, and etc. We can imagine that is 1g, 3g, 5g, etc. So we can just imagine what is the lattice one. So we can, we can deduction what is the following. So we can guess. So first my suggestion is first you have to check what is the first and the second, and we will jump to the lattice one because the middle part you can know the patterns and rules, and you can check what is the sequence, the following print, following rule and the logic. So the lattice one I equal 5, right? And the num is equal 1. So it starts from 1, and with the G, so J here start from 1, 2, because I equal 5. So here will be 6. So it will end the 5. J is 5. And every time here, number will plus 2. So with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, because from 1 to 6, it will do that 5 times. So from 1, every time you plus 2, so the lattice number is 9, right? And every time you plus with the end of a G string character here, so the result just like this. And I hope when we provide the result just like this, and you can know, you can direct it, what is the original code, and try to figure it out, right? Okay. So when we show the result to you, maybe you will know the original loop will not really direct exactly like this way, because the program, you have a lot of logic but have the same result. And the point is find the pattern, find what is continue repeat, and find what would change, what change in a line is just like in the loop, right? And this is for the out loop. So I want you to see what's the differences. So hope you can understand the exercise. And I strongly recommend you to try to print the result, and you cover the answer and try to code this part and make the result just the same with the code. Okay, it's your time.